So in this problem, the journal entry, the first transaction tells that owner is bought goods as well as the cash in the form of a capital. Yes or no? Owner is bringing the goods as well as the cash into the business. So the journal entry for this one will be cash account, goods account to capital. Yes or no? On which date? ಯಾವ ಡೇಟಿಗೆ ಅದು?
On November 1st.
November 1st.
Okay. 1st November 2017. So the journal entry, cash account, goods account to capital account. Being narration ನೀವೇ ಬರೀರಿ ಅಂತಂದಿನಿಲ್ರಿ. I said you people only to write the narration. So being cash and goods bought by the owner into the business. Being cash and goods bought by the owner into the business. What is the amount? What is the amount?
1,50,000.
1,50,000. Next, what is the next transaction? Sorry, one.
Ma'am, goods 50,000.
50,000. Total will be 2 lakh. Yes, sir. Is it clear? Cash 150, goods 50,000, and the total capital is 2 lakh. What is the next transaction? Second transaction is another.
Purchased goods from
Harish.
Goods from Harish. Yes or no? So what is the journal entry for this one? What is
purchase account to Harish account.
Purchase account data to Harish account. Abhilash. Abhilash, can you hear me? Abhilash, can you hear me, Abhilash? Abhilash Kulkarni. Abhilash, can you hear me? Abhilash Kulkarni. So he is not there only in the class. Summa irudre login agodu hogbidodu. So the journal entry for this one will be purchase account data to Harish account. Yes or no? Because purchase account has been debited because goods is coming into the business, and Harish account has been credited because Harish is a giver of the goods. So the journal entry will be purchase account debit to Harish account. What is the amount? Amount ಏನದರಿ?
30,000, ma'am.
30,000. So the narration will be being goods purchased from Harish. What is the next one? Next transaction ಏನದರಿ?
Sold goods for cash.
For cash. What is the journal entry for that one? What is the journal entry?
Cash account to sales
Account.
Cash account data to sales account.
account.
Cash account has been debited.
12,000.
Why cash account has been debited? Why cash account has been debited?
Cash coming into the business.
Cash is coming into the business. Cash account debit to. What I should credit? ಏನ್ credit ಮಾಡಬೇಕು?
Sales account.
Sales account. Because goods is going out of the business, right? Being goods sold for cash. The narration will be being goods sold for cash. What is the amount? What is the amount?
12,000.
It is 12,000. Next transaction. What is the next transaction?
Purchase furniture for cash.
Purchased furniture for cash. What is the journal entry for this one? Nikhil, can you tell me what is the journal entry for this one? Purchased furniture for cash.
Furniture account debtor to cash account.
Furniture account debtor to cash account.
Cash account.
Why furniture account has been debited?
Furniture is coming into business.
Okay, furniture is coming into business. And what is going out of the business?
Cash.
Cash account. And what will write the narration? Narration end by what is the amount?
Being furniture purchased for cash.
Very good. What is the amount?
5,000.
Okay. What is the next transaction? What is the next transaction, students?
Paid to Harish on account.
Harish on account. What is mean by this one? Who is paying here?
Business.
Business is to whom it is paying?
Harish.
Harish ke pay ಮಾಡತ್ತದ್ರಿ. ಎಷ್ಟು pay ಮಾಡತ್ತದ? How much it is paying?
15,000.
Cash paid to Harish on account. Yes or no? Here business is paying cash to Harish. So cash is going out of the business. Yes or no? To whom it is paying? ಯಾರಿಗೆ pay ಮಾಡತ್ತದ್ರಿ? ಹರೀಶ್ಗೆ. So Harish is a
Harish. Receiver.
Receiver.
So what I should do? Harish na ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ನಾನು? ಡೆಬಿಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಾ ಕ್ರೆಡಿಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಾ?
Debit.
Debit, ma'am.
Debit. Yes or no? On which date? ಯಾವ ಡೇಟಿಗೆ ಅದು? On which date?
10th November.
10.
10 November. What will be the journal entry for this one? Harish account debtor to
Cash account.
what account? ಏನ್ ಬರ್ತದ್ರಿ? ಹರೀಶ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ debtor to
Cash account, ma'am.
cash account. Narration ಏನ್ ಕರೀತೀರಿ? What you will write the narration for this one? Narration ಏನ್ ಬರೀತೀರಿ? What you people will write the narration for this one?
Being cash paid to Harish.
Being cash paid to Harish. Okay, what is the amount for this one? Amount ಎಷ್ಟು ಅದ ರೀ?
15,000.
Huh?
15,000, ma'am.
15,000. Okay. What is the next? Next transaction ಏನದ ರೀ?
Paid sundry expenses.
Okay, paid sundry expenses. So sundry expenses means a small expenses anta ಹೇಳಿ. Sundry it is not sundry expenses ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ small expenses. And these are the so it is not so important expenses. ಅಷ್ಟು important ಅಂತ ಏನಿಲ್ರಿ ಅದು. ಓಕೆ ಸೊ ಇನ್ಕರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಲೇಬೇಕಾದಂತ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆನ್ಸಸ್ ಅಂತ ಏನಿಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಲೈಕ್ ಸಡನ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆನ್ಸಸ್ ಇರ್ತಾವ ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್ನಾಗ ಅದು ಇನ್ಕರ್ ಆಗ್ಲೇಬೇಕ್ರಿ. ದಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆನ್ಸಸ್ ಇಸ್ ವೆರಿ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಟು ಇನ್ಕರ್. ಎಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ಪೇಯಿಂಗ್ ಸ್ಯಾಲರೀಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್. ಎಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ಇಫ್ ಯು ಪೇ ದಿ ಸ್ಯಾಲರಿ ಟು ಏನ ಎಂಪ್ಲಾಯೀಸ್ಗೆ ನಾವು ಆನ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಸ್ಯಾಲರಿ ಪೇ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ದೇ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಲೈಕ್ ಲಾಯಲ್ ಟು ಅಸ್. ಎಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ಅವ್ರು ನಮ್ಗೆ ಲಾಯಲ್ ಆಗಿರ್ತಾರೆ. ಎಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ಸ್ಯಾಲ್ರಿನೇ ನಾವು ಪೇ ಮಾಡಿದಿರ ಅವ್ರನ್ನ ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ದುಡ್ಸ್ಕೊಳ್ದೆ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಡೇನೆ ಇಮಿಡಿಯೇಟ್ ಅವ್ರ ಜಾಬ್ನ ಕ್ವಿಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಹೋಗ್ತಾರೆ. ಎಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ಸೊ ಸನ್ರಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆನ್ಸಸ್ ಆರ್ ನಥಿಂಗ್ ಬಟ್ ಅ ಸ್ಮಾಲ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆನ್ಸಸ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ. ಓಕೆ ಅಂಡ್ ವಾಟ್ ಐ ಶುಡ್ ಡೂ ದಟ್ ಒನ್? Sundry expenses, paid sundry expenses means what? What is meant by say paid sundry expenses? Shall I erase this one? Tell yes, no, ಸುಮ್ನಿರು ಏನಾದ್ರು ಒಂದು ಹೇಳ್ರಿ.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Shall I erase till here? ಇಲ್ಲಿವರೆಗೂ erase ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ರಿ. ಇಲ್ಲಿವರೆಗೂ erase ಮಾಡ್ಲಿ? ಆಗಿದೆ
Yes, ma'am.
on your videos to know. On your video on ಮಾಡಿ ನೋಡೋಣ. ಎಲ್ಲಿವರೆಗೂ ಬರ್ದಿರಿ ಏನೇನು ಬರ್ದಿರಿ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. Okay, so shall I erase till third transaction? Third transaction ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ erase ಮಾಡ್ರಿ. So tell me the journal entry for this one. Journal entry ಏನ್
ಹೋದ್ರಬೇಡ.
ಏನ್ ಬರ್ತದ್ರಿ? ಯಾವ ಡೇಟಿಗೆ ಅದ ಅದು?
On 13th November.
On 13th November. What may be the journal entry for this one? Journal entry ಏನ್ ಬರ್ತದ್ರಿ?
Sundry expenses account debtor to cash account.
Expenses account data to cash account. I said sundry expenses are nothing but a small expenses what the business will be incurring. Yes or no? So expenses na it has been paid in the form of a cash. So what is the amount for that one? So sundry expenses account data to cash account. Yes sir, sundry expenses account data to cash account. What is the amount? Amount ಏನದರಿ? What is the amount guys?
200 rupees.
200 rupees. And what will be the narration? Narration ಏನ್ ಬರೀತೀರಿ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ? What you will write narration? Deepak.
Being sundry expenses paid.
Being sundry expenses paid. Okay. So the narration will be being sundry expenses paid. And what is the next transaction? Next transaction ಏನದರಿ?
Cash sales, ma'am.
Cash sales. What is meant by that one? What is meant by cash sales? What is meant by cash sales? What is meant by cash sales? ನೀವೇ ಪಾಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂತೀರಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ರೆಕಾರ್ಡ್ಸ್
Sales account. ma'am. Sales account.
ಸೇಲ್ಸ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್. What is meant by cash sales?
Goods sold on cash.
Being goods sold on cash. Here business is selling the goods for in a cash. Business is selling the goods for in a cash. So what will be the journal entry for this one? Journal entry ಏನ್ ಬರ್ತದ್ರಿ? What will be the journal entry for this one?
Cash account debtor to sales account.
Cash account data to sales account. Cash account data to sales account. Because when we sell the goods, we are getting the cash here. So what will be the narration? Narration ಏನ್ ಬರೀತೀವಿ? What do you people?
Being goods sold to cash.
Being goods sold for cash. Being goods sold for cash. What is the amount? Amount ಎಷ್ಟದರಿ?
15,000.
15,000. Okay. So what is the next transaction? Next transaction ಏನದರಿ? What is the next transaction?
Deposited in bank.
Bank. What is mean by this one? Deposited into the bank. What has been deposited and who has been deposited?
Ma'am, cash is deposited to bank.
business.
Cash has been deposited into the bank. Right, sir? ಯಾರು ಡೆಪಾಸಿಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಯಾರ? ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್ ದವ್ರು ಡೆಪಾಸಿಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಯಾರ.
Business, ma'am.
ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್ ಅವ್ರು ಕ್ಯಾಶ್ ನ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಡೆಪಾಸಿಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂತಂದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್ ಇಂದ ಏನು ಕ್ಯಾಶ್ ಹೊರಗೆ ಹೊಂಟದ ಒಳಗೆ ಬರತ್ತದ್ರಿ?
ಹೊರಗೊಂಟೈತಿ.
ಹೊರಗೊಂಡೈತ್ರಿ.
ಹೊರಗೆ ಹೊಂಟದ. ಸೊ ಇಫ್ ಕ್ಯಾಶ್ ಇಸ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಔಟ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್, ವಾಟ್ ಐ ಶುಡ್ ಡೂ?
Credit, ma'am.
Cash is going out of the business, so I should credit. And what I should debit?
Bank account, ma'am.
So the journal entry will be
Bank account debit to cash account.
bank account as cash account. Okay. So bank is a receiver of that cash and cash is going out of the business. On which date?
On 18th November.
On 18th November. So bank account debit to cash account. What will write the narration? Narration ಏನ್ ಬರೀತೀರಿ?
Being cash deposited.
The cash deposited into bank. And what is the amount?
5,000, ma'am.
5,000. Okay. And what is the next transaction?
Drew cash for personal use.
Drew cash for personal use. Means cash has been withdrawn for personal use. So what will be the journal entry for this one?
Capital account, ma'am. Capital account data to
If cash has been withdrawn by the owner for his personal use, capital ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ ನಾವು ಅದನ್ನ.
Drawings.
ಏನಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ ಅದನ್ನ?
drawings
Drawings
account.
account.
Drawings account. Yes or no? So drawings account data to
Cash account.
drawings account data to cash account. If owner is withdrawing for his personal use, we will call it as a drawing. So drawings account data to cash is going out of the business. So cash account has been
Ma'am,
credited.
capital account ಅಂತ ಯಾವಾಗ ಅಂತೀವಿ?
Capital and ಯಾವಾಗ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ತಂದಾಗ. If owner brings cash or a goods or a furniture, if he brings any cash, goods or a furniture, that time we will call as a capital. First transaction ಅದೇ ಇಲ್ರಿ. Business started with cash, goods. Means owner has been started the business with cash and the goods. So owner cash ಮತ್ತೆ goods ನ business ಒಳಗೆ ತರತಾನೆ. ಅವಾಗ ಅದನ್ನ ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಅದೇ ಕ್ಯಾಶ್ ನ ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್ ಓನರ್ ತನ್ನ ಪರ್ಸನಲ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಸಂಬಂಧ ವಿಡ್ರಾ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ, if owner withdraws the cash for his personal use, that time we will call that is as a drawings ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ. ಓನರ್ ತನ್ನ ಪರ್ಸನಲ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಸಂಬಂಧ ವಿಡ್ರಾ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಅದನ್ನ ಡ್ರಾಯಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಓನರ್ ತನ್ನ ಪರ್ಸನಲ್ ಸಂಬಂಧ ವಿಡ್ರಾ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳತ್ತ. ಎಸ್ ಆರ್ ನೋ? ವಿಡ್ರಾ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳ.
Yes, ma'am.
ಸೊ ಅವಾಗ ಅದನ್ನ ನಾವು ಡ್ರಾಯಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಡ್ರೂ ಕ್ಯಾಶ್ ಫಾರ್ ಪರ್ಸನಲ್ ಯೂಸ್. ಸೊ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಅನ್ ಡ್ರಾಯಿಂಗ್ಸ್. On which date?
20th November.
20th November.
20th November.
Okay. So journal entry will be
Drawings account data to cash account.
drawings account data to cash account. So the narration will be
Being cash drew for personal use.
okay. Being cash withdraw for personal use. What is the amount? Amount ಎಷ್ಟದರಿ?
1,000, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. See the next transaction. Next transaction ಏನ್ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ? ಇಲ್ಲಿವರೆಗೂ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಆಯ್ತ್ರಿ? Is still here? It is clear to you people?
Yes, ma'am.
Still here it is clear or no? Okay. The next transaction. Okay. So the next transaction is cash paid to Harish in full settlement of account. Yes, sir. Cash has been paid to Harish in full settlement of his account. Means business has paid a cash to Harish. Harish ge cash pay ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಅವನ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅವ್ನಿಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಕೊಡ್ಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಷ್ಟು ಕೊಟ್ಟು ಸೆಟಲ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅವನಿಗೆ ಕೊಡ್ಬೇಕಾಗಿದ್ದ ರೊಕ್ಕ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಅರ್ಥ. Here who is paying cash to whom? ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕ್ಯಾಶ್ ಯಾರು ಪೇ ಮಾಡತ್ತಾರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ?
business ದವರು
ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್ ನವರು ಪೇ ಮಾಡತ್ತಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್ ನವರು ಪೇ ಮಾಡತ್ತಾರೆ ಅಂದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್ ದಿಂದ ಕ್ಯಾಶ್ ಹೊರಗೆ ಹೊಂಟಿರ್ತದೆ. ಎಸ್ ಅಣ್ಣ, ಯಾರು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ರಿಸೀವ್ ಮಾಡತ್ತಾರೆ ಆ ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್ ಪೇ ಮಾಡತ್ತಿರೋ ಕ್ಯಾಶ್ ನ?
ಹರೀಶ್ಗಿರಿ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್.
ಹರೀಶ್ ರಿಸೀವ್ ಮಾಡತ್ತಾನ್ರಿ. ಸೊ ಹರೀಶ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ದಿ ರಿಸೀವರ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಕ್ಯಾಶ್ ಇಸ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಔಟ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್. ಅಮೌಂಟ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಕೊಟ್ಟಾರ ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಅಲ್ಲಿ. ಹೌ ಮಚ್ ದೇ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಗಿವನ್ ದಿ ಅಮೌಂಟ್?
14,700.
14,700. Shall I erase this one? ಇದನ್ನ ಅಳಿಸಿಲ್ರಿ.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so see here. How much amount they have paid? 14,700. 14,700 ಅನ್ನ ಪೇ ಮಾಡ್ಯಾರೆ. ಸೊ 14,700 ನ ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಹರೀಶ್ ದವ್ರಿಗೆ ಪೇ ಮಾಡ್ಯಾರ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಮತ್ ಹೇಳ್ಯಾರ ಅವನ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ಸೆಟಲ್ಡ್ ಆಯ್ತು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ, ಇನ್ ಫುಲ್ ಸೆಟಲ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಹಿಸ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ. ಎಸ್ ಅಣ್ಣ. ಸೊ 14,700 ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ here business has paid 15,000. ರಿಯಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಇನ್ ರಿಯಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಪೇ ಮಾಡಿದೆ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಹರೀಶ್ಗೆ 15,000 ಪೇ ಮಾಡಿದೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ 15,000 ಬದಲು ಬರೀ 14,700 ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್ ಇನ್ ಕ್ಯಾಶ್ ಹೊರಗೆ ಹೊಂಟದಂದ್ರೆ ಅರ್ಥ ಏನ್ರಿ? ಆಕ್ಚುಲಿ ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಪೇ ಮಾಡಿತ್ತಂತಂದ್ರೆ 15,000 ಪೇ ಮಾಡಿತ್ತು ಹರೀಶ್ಗೆ. ಬಟ್ ಆಕ್ಚುಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಕ್ಯಾಶ್ ಹೊರಗೆ ಹೊಂಟಿದ್ದಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಬರೀ 14,700. ವಾಟ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ ದಿಸ್ ರಿಮೈನಿಂಗ್ 300? ಈ ರಿಮೈನಿಂಗ್ 300 ಏನ್ರಿ ಇದು?
Discount allowed.
Discount allowed or
Allowed.
Received ma'am.
Received.
discount received. See here, amount ಅನ್ನೋನು they have not said directly. Direct ಆಗಿ ಹೇಳಿಲ್ರಿ. Keep in mind, sometimes transaction ಹಿಂಗೂ ಬರ್ತಾವು ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ನಾಗದು. Okay, based on the value only you have to make out. ಡಿಸ್ಕೌಂಟ್ ಅಲೌಡ್ ಡಿಸ್ಕೌಂಟ್ ರಿಸೀವ್ಡ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ. ಆಕ್ಚುಲ್ ಆಗಿ ನಾವು ಹರೀಶ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಪೇ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಾಗಿತ್ತು? 15,000 ಪೇ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಾಗಿತ್ತು. ನಾವು 15,000 ತಗೊಂಡು ಹೋಗಿದ್ವಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಬಟ್ ಟೋಟಲ್ ಕ್ಯಾಶ್ ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್ ಇಂದ 15,000 ಹೋಗ್ಲಿಲ್ರಿ. ದಿಸ್ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಗಾನ್. ಟೋಟಲ್ 15,000 ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್ ನಿಂದ ಕ್ಯಾಶ್ ಹೊರಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಬರೀ 14,700 ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಹೋಯ್ತು. ಮತ್ತೆ ರಿಮೈನಿಂಗ್ 300 ಏನಾಯ್ತು ಅಲ್ಲಿ? ಮತ್ ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್ ನಾಗೆ ಬರ್ತದೆ ಇನ್ ದ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಆಫ್ ಅನ್ನ discount received. So discount received is your income or expenses?
Income.
So income ಆಯ್ತಂದ್ರೆ ಅದನ್ನ ಯಾವ ಸೈಡ್ ಬರ್ತೀರಿ?
Credit.
Credit side. So what will be the journal entry for this one? Total of journal entry ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಏನೇನು journal entry ಏನೇನು ಪಾಸ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ?
Harish account debtor to cash account.
Harish account debtor to cash account. Matri?
Discount received account.
Discount received account. Very good. So Harish account debtor to Harish is a receiver to cash account because cash is going out of the business. So cash will be credited and discount received will be credited because discount received is our income. So on this day, ಯಾವ date ಇದು?
22nd November.
22nd November. Clear? ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಆಯ್ತು explanation? In amount only you have to make out. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೆ ನಾನು ಆಫ್ಲೈನ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೆ ಈ ತರ ಒಂದು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಮಾಡಿಸ್ತೀನಿ ಅಂತ. I don't know how many people remember all those. Harish account data cash account to discount allowed. Total business in cash ಎಷ್ಟು ಹೊರಗೆ ಹೊಂಟದ್ರಿ? Total how much it ಎಷ್ಟು ಹೊರಗೊಂಡದ್ರಿ ಟೋಟಲ್? ಹೌ ಮಚ್ ಕ್ಯಾಶ್
14,700 ma'am.
ಎಷ್ಟು ಪೇ ಮಾಡ್ಯಾರಿ ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್ ದವರು? It has been paid 700. 1,700. Okay, 300 we have received in the form of a discount. And the total Harish ಎಷ್ಟು pay ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗಿತ್ತು? 15,000 pay ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗಿತ್ತು. Total 15,000 pay but business has been paid. But business has been paid only 14,700 and 300 it has been received in the form of a discount. Sorry, it's a discount received by the discount received account. Okay. Is it clear? Clear, Ayatri? Clear, students?
Yes, ma'am.
Clear, Ayatri? What is the next?
Goods sold to Nitesh.
Nitish. So what is the channel entry for this one?
Nitesh account debtor to sales account.
Nitish account data to sales account.
Sales account.
On which day?
November 25.
Nitish account data to sales account because Nitish is a receiver of the goods and goods is going out of the business. So narration in the
Being goods sold to Nitish.
being goods sold to Nitish. What is the amount? Amount is the
7,000.
7,000. Previous transaction. Being cash paid to Harish and received discount. Being cash paid to Harish and discount received. Okay, so that will be the narration. Next, another. What is the next?
Cartage paid.
Cartage paid. So cartage it is a transport expenses ante. Cartage antandre transport expenses. So idu ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ನಾನು? Cartage it is an expenses. So expenses na ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು?
Debtor.
Debit.
I should debit. And what I should credit?
Cash account.
Cash ma'am.
Cartage account debtor to cash account. On which date? Date
On
26th November.
26th November. Amount? Amount another?
200.
200. Next. Transaction.
Rent paid.
Rent paid. Rent paid is here. Expenses are income.
Expenses.
So
Expenses.
Expenses.
expenses name what?
Debtor.
Debit. And what I should credit?
Cash account.
Rent account debtor to cash account.
And account to cash account. Narration will be? Narration name ಬರೀತೀರಿ.
Rent paid.
Rent paid. And amount? What is the amount?
1,500. Received cash from Nitesh, discount allowed.
Received cash from Nitish and
Nitesh.
discount allowed. What is the journal entry for this one? Shall I erase this one? Erase Madri?
Yes, ma'am.
Received cash from Nitish and discount allowed. What is the journal entry for? Received cash from Nitish. So here business is receiving a cash. So cash is coming into the business. So what I should do? ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು? ಏನ್ ಬರ್ತದೆ journal entry ಅದಕ್ಕೆ? Think and tell.
Cash account debtor discount allowed discount allowed debtor to Nitish account.
Very good. Cash account debtor, discount allowed account debtor to Nitish account. Because we are receiving the cash from Nitish. So cash is coming into the business. Yes, sir. Business davaru cash na receive ಮಾಡತಾರು. ನಿತೀಶ್ ಜಲ್ದಿನೇ ರೊಕ್ಕ ಪೇ ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಅವನಿಗೆ ಡಿಸ್ಕೌಂಟ್ ಕೊಟ್ರು. ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್ ದವ್ರು ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಟ್ರು? ನಿತೀಶ್ ಡಿಸ್ಕೌಂಟ್ ಕೊಟ್ರು. ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್ ಡಿಸ್ಕೌಂಟ್ ಕೊಡಕದಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್ ಗೆ ಅದು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆನ್ಸಸ್ ಆದಂಗ. ಸೊ ಡಿಸ್ಕೌಂಟ್ ಅಲೌಡ್ ಇಸ್ ಯುವರ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆನ್ಸಸ್. ಸೊ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆನ್ಸಸ್ ನ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ? ಡೆಬಿಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು. ಎಸ್ ಸರ್. ಸೊ ಹಿಯರ್ ದ ಜರ್ನಲ್ allowed Nitish account. Why Nitish account has been credited? Why Nitish account has been credited?
Giver.
Is a giver. So journal entry is the narration ಏನ್ ಬರೀತೀರಿ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ? What do you people write?
Being cash received from Nitesh and discount allowed.
Very good. Being cash received from Nitish and discount allowed. Amount ಏನೇನ್ ತಗೋಬೇಕ್ರಿ? We have received in the form of a cash 200. We allowed the discount and total will be the 7,000. Date ಏನೈತ್ರಿ ಇದಕ್ಕ? What is the last transaction?
Paid.
Salary paid. So what
Paid.
is the salary? One.
Salary account to cash account.
Salary account return to cash account. Amount
3,000.
3,000. Narration is
Salary paid.
being salary paid. Is it clear to everyone? Clear ಆಯ್ತ್ರಿ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ? Total amount. Total ಎಷ್ಟು ಬತ್ರಿ? Write the total. ಎರಡು ಕಾಲಮ್ದು ಟೋಟಲ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಬರೀರಿ. ತಿಳಿತಿಲ್ರಿ everyone? If I stop here, if I stop the journal entry, is it okay or you want me to solve one more? Decide and tell me. Some problem solve ಮಾಡ್ಲಾ ಇಲ್ಲ ಇಲ್ಲ ಮೇಡಮ್ ಸಾಕ್ರಿ ಲೆಡ್ಜರ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಲೆಡ್ಜರ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. If it is clear to you people, clear ಆಗಿತ್ತಂದ್ರೆ ನಾನು ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಇದು ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಹೋಗ್ತೀನಿ. ಇಲ್ಲ ಮೇಡಮ್ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿ?
ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ.
ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಬೇಕ್ರಿ? It is the opinion of everyone or it is opinion of only Borama? Want me to solve one more problem? ಎಲ್ಲಾನು ನೋಡ್ಬೇಕಾಗ್ತದ್ರಿ ನಿಖಿಲ್. I have to look up everyone's. You want me to solve one more problem? ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ನಾಳೆ ಮಾಡಿ ಮುಗಿಸನ್ರಿ. Tomorrow will be last class of the journal entry. Okay, listen carefully. ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೇನ್ ಮಾಡುವಾಗ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಕೇಳಿಸ್ಕೋರಿ. ನಾಳೆ ಒಂದೇ ದಿವಸ ಜರ್ನಲ್ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಇರ್ತದ್ರಿ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ನೀವು ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ನಾನು ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ ಹೋಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ. Tomorrow will be the last class of a journal entry. Okay, is it fine everyone?
ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ಟೋಟಲ್ 3,16,900 ಬರ್ತೈತ್ರಿ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್. 3,16,900 ಬರ್ತೈತ್ರಿ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್. ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ 3,16,900 ರೀ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್. 3,16,16 ರೀ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್. ಹಾಂ ರೀ
3,16,900. ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಆಯ್ತ್ರಿ? ಕೇಳ್ರಿ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ.
ಎಸ್ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್.
ನಾಳೆ ಒಂದೇ ದಿವಸ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ನೋಡ್ರಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಟುಮಾರೋ ದಿ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಅನ ಜರ್ನಲ್ ಎಂಟ್ರಿ. ಲೇಟರ್ ಐ ವಿಲ್ ನಾಟ್ ಸಾಲ್ವ್. ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಗೋ ವಿತ್ ಅನ. ಹಾ ಹೇಳಿ.
ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ಟೋಟಲ್ ಜರ್ನಲ್ ಎಂಟ್ರಿಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಇರ್ತೈತ್ರಿ?
10 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಜರ್ನಲ್ ಎಂಟ್ರಿ.
Wow.
ಹಾಂ ರೀ.
Because why no? Marks important already. Without knowing how to pass the journal entry, it will become very difficult to pass the ledgers. Ledger pass ಮಾಡಕ್ ಕಷ್ಟ ಆಗ್ತದ್ರಿ. ನಿಮಗೆ ಜರ್ನಲ್ ಎಂಟ್ರಿ ಪಾಸ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ ಬಂದಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಎರಡು ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಬಿಡ್ಬೇಕಾಗ್ತದ್ರಿ. ಜರ್ನಲ್ ಬಿಡ್ಬೇಕಾಗ್ತದೆ, ಲೆಡ್ಜರ್ ಬಿಡ್ಬೇಕಾಗ್ತದೆ. So that's the reason I'm asking you people. Is it clear or no ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ.
ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ನಾಳೆ ಒಂದಿನ ತಗೋರಿ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್.
ಹಿಡಿದ್ ಬಿಡ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ ನೀವು ಹೆಂಗ್ ಪಾಸ್ ಮಾಡತ್ತೀರಿ, ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗಿದನ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ. ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್. ನಾನು ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಆಗ್ಬಿಡ್ತಿತ್ತು, ಬಟ್ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಅನ್ ಆನ್ಲೈನ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಆಗಿರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ನಾನು ನಾಟ್ ಏಬಲ್ ಟು ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ವೆದರ್ ಯು ಪೀಪಲ್ ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟುಡ್ ಆರ್ ನಾಟ್ ಅಂತ. ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ರೆಸ್ಪಾನ್ಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಹಾರ್ಡ್ಲಿ ಫ್ಯೂ ಪೀಪಲ್ ವಿಲ್ ಗಿವ್. ಒಂದ್ 3-4 ಮಂದಿ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ರೆಸ್ಪಾನ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಉಳಿದವ್ರು ಯಾರು ರೆಸ್ಪಾನ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಐ ಡೋಂಟ್ ನೋ ದಿ ರೀಸನ್. ಈಗ ನಾನು ಆಫ್ಲೈನ್ ಇತ್ತಂದ್ರೆ ಐ ಮ್ಯಾಂಡೇಟರಿ ನಾನು ಕೇಳ್ಬಿಡ್ತಿದ್ರೆ, ಇಂಡಿವಿಜುವಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಐ ಯೂಸ್ ಟು ಆಸ್ಕ್ ದಿ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್. ಬಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ಆನ್ಲೈನ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಆಗಿರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಇಂಡಿವಿಜುವಲ್ ಅವ್ರು ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೂ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಶಟ್ ಮೈ ಮೈಂಡ್. ಅವ್ರ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಮಾಡಲಿಲ್ಲ ನಾವು ಸುಮ್ಕೊಂಡು ಬೇಕಾಗ್ತದ್ರಿ. ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ಆಸ್ಕಿಂಗ್ ದೇರ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ಕಾಲಿಂಗ್ ದೇರ್ ನೇಮ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ. ಅವ್ರ ಹೆಸರು ಕರೆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಅವ್ರ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ನಾವು ಹೋಗಿ ಅವ್ರನ್ನ ಹಿಡಿದು ಕೇಳಕ್ ಬರೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಎಸ್ ಸರ್. ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ರೀಸನ್ ಐ ಆಮ್ ಆಸ್ಕಿಂಗ್ ಯು ಪೀಪಲ್. Okay, tomorrow will be the last class for a solution of a journal entries. Is it clear?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Shall we wind the class?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.